chunky chicken on the bone.
Ile torayo robojo. Aduri makarega mogi. Iwa goma.
Wewe marari yake.
Ari kitade kamenwe na ninyandika gakwa kangia kawajiku.
Karake rukuthomere wega. Gohe menu. Marambiririe na thufu.
Haya, riwe ni starter.
Starter.
Haya, starter. Haya, nani hagadeka iyo ni ya professionals?
Yes.
Nani nyandika ya gia.
Ya gia.
Gia.
Ya professionals.
Yes.
Ekaugatiriri. The professionals was spoiled for choices.
Right.
Kurare na French onion soup.
Yeah.
Butternut squash soup in olive oil.
Yes.
And herbs simmered in vegetable stock. Soup of the day. Whose ingredient is saffron, garlic, tomato, and parsley. And vegetable soup with bread rolls and butter.
Iyo ni starter. Mwira munene akinyete. Haya, kenani gohe starter ya gia. Gia ne kumira. Kiaro. Makaba makainero gutire mugwe. Mwira nene moke. Iyo ni starter. So starter gutire mugwe. One more song for Martin to say Shinegia. Then we can do
yes
one this one. What else can we give these people? Martin ikite kuria nyekine rioi before the starter. This starter.
Mekirire Jesse muri okuka ni mukomire.
I think we can give them one. Rwama twine. Korea tumete na Korea tuthiete no ngai mutheri. Haya, go main course.
Haya, main course. Not just a meal but a craft.
Haya, ndariganiro sorry ndariganiro keria this starter. Ya gia. Hena wapi Ndulu. Adeke ona wedeke ko.
Ogera Ndulu
served with sun on top of grass.
Yes.
Haya, and you have not bathed. No bathing.
And a tenderon of Njesi Morioku. Served hot with guacamole. Very good. To the main dessert. Haya, main dessert manare.
Main menu.
Yes, main menu. Not just a meal, but a craft.
Yes.
Beef rib eye stick.
Guy. No, riba ene kugate. Riba is about 4,500. Yeah. 200 grams.
Yes.
Grain fed or grass fed?
Ona dio
jere. Shirida yone pious goge moredant.
Eyo ne omarariaga beef rib eye stick grilled in busted butter. Served with roast potatoes and kachumbari.
No muna nene kinyide.
Or spring lioness potatoes and vegetables.
Kodi kuegia.
Horera. Others ate